Now we're visiting the Oklahoma City Museum of Art.
First I'm picking up a discovery pack, and then we're checking out Chile Then and Now.
This is one of the first artwork we see, seal pups. I thought it looked like birds. Brother thought it looked like...
Oh, I was gonna say they remind me of eggplants.
Eggplants? But it also looks like someone tried inflating a balloon and then kind of gave up in the middle. The huge, tall glass structure that goes all the way up, the building was constructed specifically for that.
It looks like Medusa's hair.
Here's some of his early artwork. He was inspired by the Native Americans and made baskets. In fact, the gallery is in chronological order of his career. Is that Medusa?
Oh, Medusa, yeah.
The cool thing about these ones is that he had to plan the animals out very carefully. Like the snakes over there, he could kind of bend it. However, if there's an imperfection in the snakes, that's fine, but these have to be so precise. This one's called macchia, which is an Italian term for spotted. I especially like the vases that have color contrast. Like the orange is the opposite of blue. That one has red and green. And the tip of the vase has an outline. Like this one has yellow on the edge. The line has porcupine spikes. I think the boat in this one might have been inspired by the boats in Venice. Chihuly also makes works on paper in addition to his glass. This is how he gets ideas for some of his glass works. Whoa, the white on the black. That's amazing. This is 3 layers of glass that combined make one flower. Look, his signature. They all look like elves. That is the Chihuly Then and Now exhibit.
My favorite art piece was the glass ceiling because there are so many colors.
And I like the macchia one with all those pots that had different colors all over and different outlines. And it had pretty much every color you could think of. The next gallery is Fighters for Freedom.
This is John Brown, Frederick Douglass, and Abraham Lincoln. He's missing his top hat.
The next gallery is Art and Activism. Picasso, the best artist ever.
Let's check out what's in the discovery pack. There's magnifying glasses. Inside there's a clipboard to draw. Is it? Never mind. Here's a discovery card. There's a mirror. A book. Kaleidoscope. 1,000 calories. Let's sketch this popular Picasso piece. Over here I did like a 5-minute sketch and it turned out pretty good.
The next gallery is Kiarostami Beyond the Frame. There will be 20 life-size photographs. They were shot in Iran, Italy, France, and Morocco. This one looks very 3D, but it's 2D. I can't believe all these doors are real. Just look at it. This one looks like the entrance to some evil shack. I would like to be this artist and just go traveling around looking for cool doors to photograph. Why are there people sleeping? No, don't step on them, that's rude. This section is cool because it's visitors looking at artwork in the Louvre in Paris. So like in this one, the woman by Da Vinci is looking at the guest. Now I'm gonna take a picture of brother taking a picture of the lady taking a picture of the painting. And that is the Oklahoma City Museum of Art.
My favorite art piece was, of course, the Chihuly because it looked super cool that you can see his progress many years back and then right now.
In addition to the Chihuly, which obviously was the coolest part, I also enjoyed seeing the pictures of people taking pictures of the paintings at the Louvre. That's a concept that I've never seen at art museums before.